it's that time of year again. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, thought I'd also do a bit of a channel update and talk about what's been going on around here. So, I'm not sure if I've shown this before, but yeah, this keyboard's new. It's a Razer, what do you call it? Ornata V2 Chroma thing. Has a very nice sounding switches. So yeah, yeah. So that's it's very nice, and I've still got this Razer Naga Trinity mouse. So yeah, they're both set to just sort of plain white. And that's a desktop computer. Got two new fans. I pulled the dust filter in front off for the demonstration of this, but yeah, they're both Corsair ML120 Pro magnetic levitation fans. One of them fairly high quality fans for cooling the radiator, which are also quiet. The Cooler Master ones were fairly decent, but they were just a bit too loud. So these ones are a lot quieter though. So and actually look, the LEDs look a bit nicer because they light up sort of a solid white rather than sort of a bit more of a cool white. But nothing against that, but it's just not consistent. So yeah, so that's how the desktop's going. Excuse the camera angle, can't do that one-handed, but yeah. Also got some nice sleeved cable extensions as well to go in there. I have to do something about that red SATA cable as well. That's sort of not very consistent with the rest of the colour scheme. So yeah, this here is a new project I've started, sort of a workshop PC for when that's sorted. So this year, that there's not a new toy, as you might have thought, but Dad's computer died recently, and he sort of upgraded it all and got a new case. So sort of reused that case with another Core 2 quad mainboard, which I had inside another case, but yeah, I switched cases because the other one was sort of a, whatever you call it, slimline or TFX style case, which is sort of fairly limiting in terms of it's just very cramped inside there. You know, if you've ever worked with those sort of slimline sort of HP desktops before, then you'd know what I'm talking about. There's sort of very sort of cramped. Even the same with the Pentium 75 Olivetti. I'm sure it'd be very difficult to sort of stick any massive expansion cards in there. Not that I have any desire to do so, but yeah. So yeah. Oh, CRT flicker warning. I was just running XP. Didn't really want to sort of put anything that fancy on there. it's just a workshop PC after all, but yeah, it's running XP home, I think. Check. There we go. Windows XP Home Edition Service Pack 3. Computer is a Core 2 Quad Q9400, 2.66 gigahertz, and 1.75 gigabytes of RAM. This is a 2 gig stick, but yeah, this is the case. It's an old Pentium 2 case, but yeah, it works. It works nicely enough. Just need to chuck a Wi-Fi card in there and maybe get a bit more RAM. But if I get a bit more RAM, then I could upgrade the machine to Windows 7 if I wanted to, I suppose. But yeah, XP works well enough for this kind of situation. So yeah, eventually we'll be upgraded to Windows 7. But yeah, I'll just sort of go along with XP for the moment and see how that goes. So yeah. Apart from that, not really much else has been going on around here. Haven't really uploaded much because, yeah, of course, as with a lot of other people, the whole virus situation has been affecting me mentally, but not going to go into that. So, yeah, that even if I did, I'd do it in a separate video. I'm not going to talk about that. On Christmas Day, I sort of, yeah, it's not really what you talk about, but yeah, yeah, sort of projects like these that sort of keep me going throughout this time. So yeah, it's sort of good to sort of crack on with those. So yeah, I suppose that's just about it. So yeah. Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.